A little attention and the right adjustments ahead of time go a long way. Same goes for the tires on your Subaru. Spotting abnormal wear and taking care of any issues promptly can significantly extend their miles, so you can go a long way too, moving and stopping safely. Have your tires inspected around every 6,000 miles and keep an eye out for things like wear on the edges, one side of the tread, or the center of the tread. Tread depth is critical to your tire's performance. To check it, insert a quarter into several grooves. If part of Washington's head is always covered, you have enough tread remaining. If not, your tire's traction and safety are compromised, and you should have them inspected. Visible tread wear bars indicate that your tires are worn beyond acceptable limits, and you need to replace them immediately. Always use the same specifications as the original tires, and remember, you'll get the best performance by replacing all 4 tires at the same time. Just swing by and see us. We'll be happy to fit your vehicle with the right tires and assist you in proper disposal of the old ones, so you can keep on treading confidently. We're here to help. Make it last.